అందరికీ నమస్కారం. చంద్రయాన్-3ని విజయవంతంగా చంద్రుని మీదకు పంపినందుకు గాను ఇస్రో శాస్త్రవేత్తలకి, నా భారతమాతకు శతకోటి వందనాలు. అన్నవస్త్రాలు లేని దేశం స్థాయి నుంచి అంతరిక్ష పరిశోధనల వరకు వెళ్ళి విజయ దుంబిదిని మోగించిన ఘనతకు గాను ప్రపంచ దేశాలు సైతం జేజేలు పలుకుతున్నాయి. నేడు ఏ దేశాలు అయితే అగ్రరాజ్యాలుగా చెప్పుకుంటూ ప్రపంచపటంలో తమ ఆధిపత్యాన్ని చెలాయించాలని ఊవిలూరుతున్నాయో అలాంటి దేశాలు కూడా చంద్రునిపై కాలు మోపడంలో డీలా పడుతూ ఉంటే, మన భారతదేశం మాత్రం చంద్రయాన్-3ని ఏ ఆటంకాలు లేకుండా చంద్రుని మీదకు పంపి, అది కూడా చంద్రుని దక్షిణ ధ్రువంపైకి పంపిన ఏకైక దేశంగా ప్రపంచ రికార్డు సాధించడం మనందరికీ గర్వకారణం. జయవరాహి గ్రూప్ మెంటర్ అండ్ పేరెంటింగ్ కోచ్ విజయలక్ష్మి గారు మిషన్ చంద్రయాన్-3 గురించి పూర్తి వివరాలు మనకు తెలియజేస్తారు. ఓవర్ టు విజయలక్ష్మి గారు.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ జయవరాయి. Firstly, on behalf of Jayavarai Group of Hospitals, heartily congratulations to Team India, ISRO and everyone. India has created history by doing the safe landing on the lunar surface, which no other country in the world has done till date. As we all are aware, the Chandrayaan-3 mission was launched on July 14th at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh at around 2:53 p.m. IST. And followed by that, the Chandrayaan-3 mission underwent a series of revolutions around the moon to prepare itself for safe landing on the surface of the moon, and this has been successful. Yesterday, that is 23rd August 2023 at around 6:04 p.m. the mission has successfully safe landed on the moon surface, and the rover Pragyan has also rode on the surface of the moon, and it has started its operations on the moon surface. And by this successful soft landing at the South Pole, India becomes the first country in the world to probe at the South Pole, and also fourth country after the US, China and the former Soviet Union to land on the moon. And it also, another interesting fact is it will be imprinting the Indian flag and the ISRO emblem on the moon soil, which no other country at the South Pole, which no other country has been done. It is such a pride to India. And now everyone is telling soft landing, South Pole. So what is soft landing, and why only South Pole? I think this is one major question like everyone would have had if you didn't understand what it is all about. So very crisply and in layman's term, if I have to tell you, this soft landing is nothing but it is the controlled and the decent subsequent touchdown or landing of the spacecraft without causing any significant damage to the spacecraft or the scientific instruments which has been installed in that. So that is soft landing, and that is one major concern which scientists have during this landing, and no one has been able to do the safe landing at the South Pole till now, and India stands first. So that is soft landing. And secondly, why South Pole? As we all know, the world is in space race now, and everyone wants to make their presence on the moon. And the South Pole is the one which is closer to the Earth. So it is easier, like we can't tell it is the exact reason, but the possibilities or probabilities are such that the scientists want to build infrastructure at this place, that is the South Pole, for the further space missions, for the further explorations, and also they want to study the further mineralogy like the elements, and it is easier if it is closer. So this might be the possibility or probability, and that's why they choose the South Pole. And now, and coming to the rover Pragyan. So what is the scenario is, the Vikram, the lander, is successfully landed on the moon surface, and now the Pragyan is also rode down to the surface, and it has already started its in situ experiments, which was one of the objectives of the Chandrayaan-3 missions. And now what is this Pragyan rover is? It is a six-wheeled rover which is designed to study the surface of the moon. So what it is expected to do in this next 14 days. These 14 days are very crucial for the ISRO, the scientists, everyone is on their toes. So the rover will be sending images, videos, information, and it will carry out investigations on the moon surface. It will look out for elements like magnesium, silicon, calcium, iron, etc. Another important thing what the scientists are expecting is to assist in the study of the moon's subtle atmosphere, and also the fluctuations and the day-night cycles. So these are the things what the scientists are expecting, and also the ice water, like from before there have been evidences they have found water, like from the Chandrayaan-1 only they found. So it is gonna develop more depth and also more information, and hopefully we get more information regarding the same. And also the primary objective of the Chandrayaan mission was to study the geology of the moon, so which actually the rover has already started doing, and I think we've got the first picture as well by yesterday evening. And as ISRO had officially tweeted also, that the rover Pragyan has rode down on the moon surface, and India is already walking on the moon. This is the basic thing, whatever I spoke to you or explained, this is the just basics of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. And if time permits, I'll definitely try and do in detail the technicalities of the mission and explain if anyone is interested. And also, let's wait and see what happens in the next 14 days. Definitely after the 14 days, I'll come up with a video, so whatever will happen. So as our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji said yesterday, this day will be remembered by every Indian forever, and I don't think anyone can forget how everyone was stuck to their TVs watching live. I've not seen this happen before. It used to be the cricket or for movies and other things. It will feel so nice to see from the younger generation to the senior generation watching something interesting and watching something meaningful. And I hope this is the change. It begins, and we bring in more changes like this, positive, prosperous changes. And again, wishing ISRO, Team India, and all of us the very best. And let's see what happens in the next 14 days. And once again, a big thank you from Jaivarai Group of Hospitals. Please do watch the videos and subscribe to our channel.